average power, power factor in LCR circuit. Now we know the equation for the power, mathematical equation for power. Power is a product of current and EMF. Current and EMF. We know the AC current and it is AC EMF. We know the AC current in the LCR circuit, I is I naught sin omega t minus phi. And what is AC EMF in LCR circuit? E is equal to E0 sin omega t. Power is the product of current and EMF. Now in LCR circuit, what is the value of current? I is equal to I naught sin omega t minus phi. E is equal to E0 sin omega t, and E0 and I0 take outside. Sin omega t minus phi taken as here, and sin omega t is here. Open sin omega t minus phi. Now what is the sin omega t minus phi? Sin omega t cos phi minus cos omega t into sin phi. And here sin omega t is there. Now you multiply that with this expansion value. Sin into sin becomes sin square omega t cos phi, sin into cos omega t, sin into cos omega t into sin phi. We know the value of sin square omega t. How we can write sin square omega t value? 1 plus cos 2 omega t by 2. 1 plus cos 2 omega t by 2. It is a sin square omega t value. Cos phi here taken as this. Now sin omega t into cos phi is 2 sin omega t by 2. This is also another formula in trigonometry. It is one formula in the trigonometry. It is also another formula in trigonometry. Sin omega t into cos omega t is how much? Sin 2 omega 2 by 2, as usually sin phi. From 0 to capital T means in a time period. From 0 to 1 time period or 1 cycle. From 0 to 1 cycle or from 0 to a time period. Sin omega 2 omega t is 0 and cos 2 omega 2 is 0 and sin 2 omega t is also 0. Cos 2 omega t is 0, sin 2 omega 2 is also 0. Substitute these two in this equation. So what happened? P average is equal to E naught I naught 1 plus cos 2 omega t is how much? 0 by 2 cos phi minus sin 2 omega t is how much? 0 into sin omega t. Now next step, P average is equal to how much? E naught I naught 1 by 2 cos phi. Okay, I am taken 2 outside. How we can write 2 root 2 into root 2? Why? Root 2 into root 2 is 2 only. But we expand the 2 as root 2 into root 2 cos phi. E naught by root 2. I naught by root 2. E naught by root 2 is which one? RMS value of AC EMF. I naught by root 2 is the which one? RMS value of AC current. E naught by root 2 is equal to RMS value of AC EMF. I naught by root 2 is RMS value of AC current. So we get the equation. P average is equal to how much? What is the P average in LCR circuit mathematical equation? P average is equal to ERMS into IRMS cos phi. And we know that one, the product of EMF and current is power. But it is which one? PRMS. Means root mean square of the power. Now what is average power? Average power is equal to RMS power into cos phi. But what is the cos phi? Cos phi is called by power factor. Now define power factor. This is one question. What is the definition of power factor? Ratio between average power to RMS power. In the numerator we take average power, denominator RMS power. The ratio between average power to RMS power in LCR circuit is called power factor. What is the power factor? Ratio between average power to RMS power in LCR circuit is called power factor, denoted by cos phi. And one more equation for the power factor in LCR circuit. What is another equation for cos phi in LCR circuit? In LCR circuit, cos phi is equal to R by Z. What is the R? Resistor resistance in LCR circuit. Z is the which one? Impedance of LCR circuit. What is the impedance of LCR circuit? Root R square plus XL minus XC whole square. Okay, one more important question for 2 marks in this article is define power factor and what is the wattless circuit. Wattless circuit. Now, LCR circuit is called as wattless circuit under one condition. LCR circuit is called wattless circuit when it is called phi is equal to pi by 2. Phi means phase difference between AC EMF and AC current. What is a phi? Phi is phase difference. The phase difference phi between AC EMF and AC current is 90 degrees. Cos 90 is how much? 0. So average power is 0. What is the unit of the power? Watt. That's why if phi is equal to pi by 2, average power is equal to 0, then LCR circuit is called as wattless circuit. Means in LCR circuit, phase difference between AC EMF and AC current is 90 degrees. The average power is 0. Average power is 0. Then LCR circuit is called as wattless circuit. Once again, what is the meaning of wattless circuit? The phase difference between AC current and AC EMF in the LCR circuit is 90 degrees, or AC EMF and AC current are perpendicular or has phase difference 90 degrees, then average power of LCR circuit is 0. Then LCR circuit is called as which one? Wattless circuit. Okay. LCR circuit is called as a resonance circuit that we are studied in the last class, and resonance are not only a resonance circuit, and LCR circuit is also called wattless circuit. Once again, LCR circuit is called resonance circuit when inductive reactance is equal to capacitive reactance, means XL is equal to XC. When XL is equal to XC in LCR circuit, the LCR circuit is called resonance circuit. Next, the LCR circuit is called as wattless circuit where the phase difference between AC current and AC EMF are 90 degrees. It is called as wattless circuit.